Alright, so we'll be doing a review on the Makita 12 volt drill impact, a review on the Ryobi 18 volt, the older style, and then the drill 18 volt Ryobi drill. What we're going to be doing in this video is a speed test, approximate speed test, and a torque test. Let's get right into it. This is torque test. Or speed test, I meant. Went down pretty easy. Not as fast as I'd like it to. Right here's the Ryobi drill impact. I'm going to be doing a speed test on this one. Definitely better than the Makita. Now we got the Ryobi drill. All batteries are fully charged too. Just had them on. Ready, set. Drill is definitely faster than the Makita impact. Now we'll be doing a torque test. Makita 12 volt. It definitely has torque. It can go through one of these screws. I'll grab one of them right now. Yes, I do have a toolbox in here. And these screws are 2 inches and a quarter. Or 2.5 inches. And that one definitely powered through it decent. Just not as much torque as I would like it to. Now we're going to test the Ryobi impact 18 volt torque. Definitely would be able to get through almost any small engine repair. Anything small, definitely would be able to do it. Now the Ryobi 18 volt drill for torque test. Really had almost no problem. Definitely could do almost anything you wanted to do for a small engine. And then there's another mode on it. That was drill mode for like drilling holes. Now we're gonna do a test with the drill, with the drilling. First, let me get it started. Okay, now we're gonna do the drill test. Yeah, the screw test for the screw mode, as in right there. Definitely did it really fast. Actually pretty amazing. Out of all of them, I definitely like this one the best. Definitely outpowers that one. This is for Makita 12 volt. That's for smaller stuff like drywall, stuff like that. This one you could use for small engine repair. And this one is for more of like everything use. If you like these videos, if you want us to do a review on the Milwaukee 18 volt fuel, a 1/2 inch impact, if you want me to do a review on that. Like if you want me to do a review on the 18 volt Milwaukee drill. Like and subscribe. Peace out.